Milliposts. Jobs, current affairs, GK.
Namaskar. Test your knowledge. Indira Gandhi, India's determined leader, and the emergency period. At that time, the country's Prime Minister Indira Gandhi declared a state of emergency on 25 June 1976 and detained many opposition leaders. Let's see how much you remember this famous leader who led the country through the emergency. The government will celebrate the 49th anniversary of this black day in the history of Indian democracy. Indira Gandhi, also known as the Iron Lady of India, was the only female Prime Minister of India to serve the country. Let's see how much you remember this famous leader who led the country through the emergency. 1. What is Indira Gandhi's full name? A. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi. B. Indira Karamchand Gandhi. C. Indira Nehru Gandhi. D. Indira Gandhi Nehru. Correct answer. A. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi. Indira Gandhi's full name is Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi, whose surname was Nehru. She was the only daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. She was the first and only female Prime Minister of India. 2. When and where was Indira Gandhi born? A. 19th October 1917, Delhi, India. B. 19th November 1917, Allahabad, India. C. 14th November 1917, Bihar, India. D. 22nd November 1917, Gujarat, India. Correct answer. B. 19th November 1917. Indira Gandhi was born on 19th November 1917 in Allahabad, India. She spent a year at Visvabharati University in Santiniketan, now located in the state of West Bengal, before going to Oxford, England, to continue her education. 3. For how many full terms did Indira Gandhi serve as Prime Minister of India? A. 3 consecutive terms. B. 2 consecutive terms. C. Once. D. None of the above. Correct answer. A. 3 consecutive terms. India's first female Prime Minister and Indian politician, Indira Gandhi, served 3 consecutive terms from 1966 to 1977 and then a 4th term from 1980 until her untimely death in 1984. 4. Who coined the phrase, India is Indira and Indira is India? A. Henry Kissinger. B. Pathak Vinubhai. C. D.K. Barua. D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Correct answer. C. D.K. Barua. By late 1977, Indira Gandhi had become so powerful in Indian politics that Congress Party President D.K. Barua had said, India is Indira and Indira is India. 5. In which year did Indira Gandhi impose an emergency throughout India? A. 1975. B. 1970. C. 1973. D. 1984. Correct answer. A. 1975. It was inevitable that Indira Gandhi would lose her parliamentary seat and be banned from politics for 6 years after the Allahabad High Court ruled against her in 1975. Despite her appeal to the Supreme Court, Indira Gandhi did not receive a favorable response. Later, she took matters into her own hands and declared a national emergency. 6. Why did Indira Gandhi declare an emergency? A. Economic crisis. B. Political unrest. C. National security concerns. D. Drought and famine. Correct answer. B. Political unrest. The emergency was suddenly declared at midnight on 25 June 1975. Following the advice of the Indira Gandhi-led government, President Fakhruddin Ali Nahmad invoked Article 352 of the Indian Constitution to declare a state of emergency in response to internal unrest. The emergency was in force from 25 June 1975 to 21 March 1977 for a total of 21 months. 7. Indira Gandhi's son became her chief political advisor in 1980. Which son was he? A. Sanjay Gandhi. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Rahul Gandhi. D. Firoz Gandhi. Correct answer. A. Sanjay Gandhi. Indira Gandhi's son, Sanjay Gandhi, was elected to the Lok Sabha and served as her chief political advisor. Court proceedings against Indira and Sanjay Gandhi were stayed. Sadly, Sanjay Gandhi died in a plane crash in June 1980. He was seen as Indira's successor in the Indian political establishment. 8. In what year was Indira Gandhi assassinated? A. 1981. B. 1985. C. 1984. D. 1982. Correct answer. C. 1984. At 9:30 a.m. on 31st October 1984, Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was assassinated at her residence on Safdarjung Road in New Delhi. She was murdered by her Sikh bodyguard Satwanath Singh and Ben Singh following the Indian Army's Operation Blue Star, which took place between the 1st and 8th June 1984, on her instructions.